New from Putco Inc. Putco Chrome Trim, 2009 through 2010 Ford F-150 mirror cover with turn signal opening.
Hi, I'm Ivan with Discount Truck Accessories, and I hope you liked our video. We'd appreciate a thumbs up if you did by clicking the thumbs up button down there. If you want to join our channel, you can hit the subscribe button right here, and don't forget to click the email notification if you want to be notified of new videos when they come on. And right now, if you want to go to the product page where the rest of the information is on, click that link right down there.